and welcome back to Nikel's Food for the Soul. I'm Sheikah Brown, and today I know I'm doing things a little different. You guys are used to seeing my face, not today. Today we're going to focus on this quick midweek meal, which will be featured in my upcoming new cookbook that will be available at Amazon, Barnes & Noble, sorry about the phone, guys. Barnes & Noble, Walmart, Target, even international. So as you guys see, I have a lot of things going on. It's completely healthy. This dish was inspired by one of my supporters. Asked me to show her how to do a quick midweek meal during the week. So today I will be doing a pan-seared salmon and spinach salad with a homemade raspberry vinaigrette sauce. Oh, leave it to me, guys. I'm still me, although you don't see me. I'm here. See? Hi. A vinaigrette sauce. So as you can see, if you come around this way, I have some, and someone asked me if they can buy or where they can buy vegetables pre-shredded. As you can see, shredded carrots. You can also get those shredded at the same place. 365 is Whole Foods, is where I do all my shopping at, even my butcher. As you guys see, I'm using all healthy organic. So in here I have organic baby spinach that I wanted to show you guys. They look just like this. I already dumped them. They say they triple wash, but of course I still have to wash myself. I'm also using organic shredded carrots. I have the base organic raspberry vinaigrette that I'm using to start the base of my homemade dressing for the salad. I also have organic, some raspberry preserve. I've got organic raspberries, fresh raspberries, organic fresh strawberries. My salmon also came from Whole Foods. I got some fresh strawberries chopped. I have eggs. I just switched over to brown eggs, which is a healthy choice. I have organic, this is organic red onion. I have organic zucchini. My husband is a fan of zucchini and he's a fan of tomatoes. So everything is organic here. And then you can add your little toppings. This is dried cranberries and honey roasted pecans, which I can't eat because I can't eat pecans, but my husband can. So I wanted to show you guys all of the ingredients that I'm working with today to show you guys that you can create a delicious meal with healthy choices. So I'm going to go ahead and get the salmon started because of course you know it don't take long for the salad to get prepared. But before I put I'm going to put the salmon on first. And I don't have my favorite tool. I already have the, you guys know I got to get my clapper. I don't know what I did with it. Just put them up. I have to, I'm going to turn it down a little bit. Sorry guys. I thought I had everything in front of me. But anyway, I can't find, they're behind me. So, the key to, and the salmon I'm using, they're beautiful by the way. I'm leaving the skin on. So, some people, and I have cut the skin off when I was doing a pasta dish. I showed you guys in my previous video. I removed the skin. But I'm leaving the skin on. I want to give you guys a tip. I always like to give a tip. When you cook your salmon and you see the white gooey stuff coming out, that's okay. It's a protein called, and I think I'm pronouncing it right, and you guys know I butcher words, albium, I think that's what it's called. It's just the fish protein, which you don't want to lose a lot of. You want that protein because it helps build the fluid through your bloodstream that help you build healthy kidneys and liver, and those are important. So, but if you see it and know it's not very appealing, but it's healthy. You always want to start with meat down to get a good sear. As you hear, get a good sear as you hear. And you want that to sear, and I got it on medium high to get a good sear. Once I flip it, I'll turn it down. But in the process, I'm going to show you guys how to get the homemade vinaigrette started. Now with the vinaigrette, I have, you want to keep it healthy, so you want to use a healthy choice. You can use any type of oil if you want to, but I'm using extra virgin olive oil. You can use canola oil. I wouldn't recommend vegetable oil, but I'm using that. I'm using a 1/4 of a cup of the raspberry vinaigrette that I just showed you guys. I'm using 3 tablespoons of organic orange juice. I'm also using 3 tablespoons of the organic raspberry preserve. And I have about, it depends on how many sandwiches you make. I'm doing 2 just for me and my husband. But I have about 1/4 of fresh raspberry. If you were doing cooking a larger dish, you would of course use more of that portion. Sorry about the noise. I'm gonna blend this until it becomes in a dressing consistency. And I'm gonna taste, and by this time it should be time to flip the salmon. You want to get a good sear and crust on it. You guys know you're always supposed to taste it. I know I usually show you, but oh my God, it's good. So while that's going on, let's check out the salmon. Can you say beautiful? That's beautiful. So once you get that good sear on, turn it down and let it finish for about 6 to 7 minutes. It don't take much. Just get a good glance at that. Let that sear for a minute, and I will show you guys how to. You can build your salad any way you want, but I'm gonna show you guys how we're gonna do it. My husband wants his salmon on the side. I want mine on the top. So give that a good 7-8 minutes, and I'll show you guys how to bring the dish together as always. So as you can see, the salmon is pretty much done. The green stuff, of course, you guys know my food glass. I sprinkle this I sprinkle chives. You guys don't have to do that. I just like the pretty effect of the salmon dish. So fix your eyes on that, and I'm gonna give my plate to remove it. Are you guys loving that salmon dish? The salmon looks perfect by itself. I'm coming, guys. And I'm gonna turn this off because you don't want to overcook your salmon. Like I said before, it don't take much. Okay, so if you guys heard that, yes, I was getting my Instagram picture. You guys know how we do. So I'm gonna remove the salmon. Look at that back crust. Looks good. So that's why you want to leave the crust on. So now we want to start building the salad. Depend on, like I said, what you guys want, what you want in your salad. If I say spinach, because spinach is a better choice than your regular iceberg lettuce salad mix. This dish is under 500 calories. You cannot beat that. So one, I'm going to lay it out. Well, actually, I'm going to do both like that. And the salad, the spinach look juicy by itself because, like I said, I drizzled a little olive oil, lemon juice, and some just a little salad seasoning on it. I don't like all this stuff on mine, but my husband loves carrots, so I'm just sprinkle just a little. You know what? I'm trying to be healthy with him, so we both get carrots. I'm going to eat my carrots. Now, we both love onions, but in the meantime, I'm going to do zucchini for him, not for me, not for me. If it was cucumbers, I will. Now I'm going with the onions. I'm just building a salad, like I said, and I'm using my hand because it's, like I said, it's me and my husband. So, and you just build your salad the way you want. Nothing special about it. We both love onions. I didn't mean to cut this many, but and for the salad, it's good to use. Like I said, I'm using red organic, but it's good to use red. That's not my use. And no tomatoes for me, but tomato for hubby. Like I said, he loves tomatoes. You don't have to make it special. Just put the topping you want on it. I want eggs. I don't think he wants eggs. You want eggs? He don't like eggs, but I do. You want to take a piece? Salad topping. To make it healthier, I'm going to do a little slices of excuse me, fresh strawberries. I think I'm gonna make my picture an Instagram picture. And excuse me, guys. I ate that egg and looked out the wrong way. I'm just gonna place his like that. And mine like that. Better yet. And you want the toasted cranberry and almond? Okay. I wanted to do it with that and the chickpeas, but because I can't eat almonds, but you can just drizzle it a little bit. You don't have to do much. This is a very healthy. It's toasted almonds. And so last but not least, I'm just going to pour some of the vinaigrette on top. Like I said, it's a raspberry vinaigrette. It brings a sweetness to the salad. If you don't like the color, I don't know how to make it raspberry without the color. So guys, Quick, easy meal. My husband don't want any dressing. He's really trying to keep it big. Quick, easy meal. Salmon, pan-seared salmon and spinach. Salad with a raspberry vinaigrette dressing. So try this recipe. I have it in the bottom. Under 500 calories. You cannot beat that. For a midday meal, you got a salmon salad. There you have it. Saturday, my husband requested a brawn stew. So, well, we'll see. I don't know. We'll see what I'll be doing. So Saturday, you guys will see me. So until then, love you guys. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure you keep liking, subscribe, commenting, and notification, and share any comments, any recipes. Make sure you guys put down underneath with the in the description with the ingredients. Love you guys until next time.